How to make a group chat in Character AI. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To make a group chat in the Character AI, head over and tap on your Character AI application in your device. If you are new to Character AI, you will have to create an account for yourself. Once you have created an account, you'll be able to log in into your Character AI. Now, right here to create a group chat, it is quite simple. At the bottom, you will see the create icon, tap on it. Here you'll find various options of character, group chat, persona, and voice. You can click on the option of group chat. Now at the top, you will see the option of add character. Here, you can search for as much as character that you can. Then you can add in your group chat. Go ahead and add along all of the character that you wish in the group chat. Once done, you can click on create group chat option, after which the group chat will be created successfully. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much.